Okay. Hi, Ritik. Good evening. Okay, so let's start the class. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen. Okay, just tell me, can you see my screen? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. So actually, this is the front end class. Basically, I want to say one thing. Like, I'll teach you all the course here, so that that will help you to get a job, and there will be no problem. Like after completing all this course, you will have the full courage, like how to get a job. And after the course, I will help you how to build your resume, how to face the interview. So there will be no problem. I will teach all the things. So the first thing I will share here, I will start into the intro. So intro to wave, this is the first thing that I will start here. Okay, so first will be intro to wave. The second thing, that is, I will directly jump to HTML. So you might have any idea on HTML. What is HTML? What is CSS? Do you have any idea? Hello? Just say yes or no, so that I can jump to direct the topic.
No, no.
Okay, done. So after HTML, there will be CSS, and with CSS, I will also teach you Bootstrap. Then there will be the next part, that is the king of the course, that is called JavaScript. Okay, so first I'll teach you intro to web, then HTML, CSS, and then it's JavaScript. So initially HTML, CSS, these two things will take around 15 to 20 days, and after that I will teach you JavaScript. So JavaScript, in the case, I will teach you ES 6, 7, and 8. So don't worry about the 6, 7, 8. I will teach you in detail all the things. Just I'll share you all the notes, so don't need to write down anything. I will share you all the notes and all the videos. Okay. So this is the first thing that I will teach you, and after that there will be five thing. So this is called React.js. So what is React.js? So after completing the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, I will directly jump to the React.js. So React.js is the library of JavaScript. So after completing JavaScript, like you are eligible for a job, but in industry level, React.js is the basic thing that after completing any of these things, after completing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you need to do either React.js or Angular. So these are two things. It is the framework. Okay. So I will teach you all the things. There will be no problem. Just I'm currently showing you the syllabus, what I am going to teach you. Okay. So in the pipe part, it is React.js and Angular. Okay. So I will teach you the React.js part. No need to worry about the Angular part. So I will teach you in future. Okay. So these are the things that it will take around something called 6 to 7 month. Like 6 to 7 month means you can have 4 to 5 month for the course, and after that 2 month for the practice and preparation. So it will take around 6 to 7 month for the complete course. So today is April 4th. So you can guess after 6 to 7 month, after completing all the course, you have a idea of all the front end part, you have idea of all the projects and how to build up a project application, and after completing all the things, you are ready for the job. So these are the things. So this is the syllabus part for the first thing. This is called the front end app. So this is the front end part. Okay. So just tell me, do you have any idea on what is internet, what is web? Do you have any of you? Do you have any idea? Any of you? Okay, let it go. So I'll start from the scratch. Okay. So first of all, what is wave? Here I'll show you. Like wave is the thing. Like intro to the wave is the first thing that you will learn in this course. So firstly, I will tell you there are something two type of things, two type of application that is included in front end. One is mean, another is MERN. Okay. So if you are in the course, like in this course, that means you are ready for the mean stack course. Like, sorry, you are in the mon stack course. So what is MERN? MERN means M for MongoDB. That is one type of database. E means that is Express.js. That is one type of middleware. Don't worry about all the things. I will describe all the things. Okay. Then it is called R. R means React.js. So it is called the like client side. And final it is N. That means Node.js. So Node.js is the server side. So we will learn all the things here like mean and MERN. But in this course we will learn MERN stack. Like firstly to achieve these things like the R part like React.js part, to achieve this thing we have to complete first all the four part because so the thing is that application. What is application? Before starting the course, you need to know about what is application. So there are some type of application. So the first thing is desktop. Desktop app. What is desktop app? Any idea? Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Desktop app means suppose there is one school. Suppose the school name is ABC International School. Okay. So the school has its own application. Like new people, new students are doing joining here. Some students are getting a transfer certificate. Some new teachers are joining. So to handle all the things, the school has its own application that is called a desktop application. That means in one desktop, in one particular system, the application is installed and that application will run in that system only. Okay. To if I want to run the application in another system, I have to reinstall the application in another system and there is no need of any internet to run that system. That is called a desktop application. Okay, like suppose I will give you one example. Like in your personal laptop, there is one application called um, suppose okay, Microsoft Word. One application is there, Microsoft Word. one is PowerPoint. Okay, so like this type of application like Microsoft Word is there, PowerPoint is there, suppose Paint is there. Okay, so to run all the things, you need to just open your laptop or desktop, then just double click on that and that application will run. So suppose I also want to run the same thing in my application, so I have to like install all the things in my personal application in my personal laptop. So this is called a desktop application. Okay, the second one is web application. So what is web application? In the first thing, the first desktop app, the application which no need of any internet, that is called a desktop application. But in web application, anything, any application that is running in one desktop or laptop which needs an internet, that is called the web application. Anything. Suppose I am giving example IRCTC, that you are like using to book your train ticket. So that is IRCTC. So one is called Flipkart for the online application, and Amazon. So anything, any application that is running in your personal laptop or desktop which need an internet, that is called the web application. Okay. The third one is distributed application. Okay. What is distributed app? Any idea? Okay, so distributed app means some application, like any application which is running in your personal like mobile, your tablet, any application that is running in your app. And okay, so firstly I'm giving you the example. Suppose Facebook, YouTube, like Zomato is there, like Swiggy is there. So any application that is running in your personal what personal mobile or personal tablet which needs a login or an authentication, like if I'm currently using application like Facebook, so I am currently using Facebook in my mobile app. So if I need to access the same thing in your mobile, so I need to first do the login setup. After doing the login, I can able to access the Facebook in your mobile. Same thing. Suppose I am currently watching the YouTube in my phone, and I need to watch all the things, all the YouTube access in some another phone. So I need to like what first do login, and after doing login, I have to give the credential. After doing my email ID and password, then I will able to do all the things. Okay. So this is called the distributed app. Then another app is AI app. What is AI app? Currently, it's in hot topic. What is AI? Like artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Okay. Do you have any idea on what is Alexa? What is Gemini? Like Siri? Also,
Yes.
yes. Also, there is Chat GPT. So these are called the AI app. Like anything, any application that is running with some like the background is built with AI. That is entirely called as AI application. Okay. The next one is IoT. What is IoT? Interesting thing. What is IoT? IoT means Internet of Thing. Like anything, any application we are using currently, that is what some new type of technologies are there. Suppose I am giving an example. I am currently sitting here. I want to switch on the AC. So what will I do? I will just switch on the remote, then the AC will on. So how does it connect? Like some coding are written in backend in the remote, and the access is in the AC. So whenever I am clicking on the on button, the coding is running in background and the AC is operating. Anything, any application that is running with some sensor, that is called IoT app. If I will give an example, so you might have some smartwatch, like your watch is currently tracking your what blood pressure, your heart rate, all the things are tracking through sensor. So that is called Internet of Thing, like IoT app. Any type of sensor, like currently some in so many cars, so many vehicles, they have some anti-theft sensor. Suppose I lock my car and I went outside, someone tried to open my car, some sound will be there, some buzzer will be there. So that is called IoT app. Okay. And after that, that is called mobile app. What is mobile app? So so many people have some what say um, something that is running inside the mobile, that is called mobile app, but that is wrong. What is mobile app? Like anything, the app, any application that is installed in your phone and that doesn't need any type of internet, that is called the mobile app. Example, your camera, one calendar is there in your phone, the calculator, anything that doesn't need any internet in your mobile, that is called mobile app. You just open your phone, press on the camera button, the camera will open. That is called the mobile application. Okay, like any application. So I can say your camera, your calendar, calculator, anything, anything, any app that does not need any internet. Just like your what desktop app. Like desktop app is the same thing, but it is installed in the desktop, and mobile app is the same thing that is installed in the mobile. Only the difference is that. And lastly, there is one thing most commonly and most like widely favorite thing, that is called 2D and 3D game app. You might have like so many of you have heard about PUBG, then Free Fire, then one famous is Candy Crush. So these all things are comes under 2D and 3D game app. Okay, so application are these type of, like it is distributed in like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So in the seven type of applications are there. So in the front end course, like in this course we will learn and these two type of things, like web app and distributed app. Like after completing the course, you will able to create these two type of app, like web application and distributed application. Okay, so web application and distributed application means, like in the current market scenario, in the current market, the big tech industries like your Facebook, your Netflix is there, like your Amazon is there. So all the big tech industry there comes under the distributed app and the web app. Okay, so there will be no tension for all the rest of the thing, like the desktop, distributed AI, IoT, mobile, 2D. No need to worry about that. Just focus on these two things. One is web app, another is the distributed app. So if you will complete this course, you will able to create these two type of things. Okay. So next I will come to the main part here. What is the main part? Like, okay. Yeah. So to create all these app. So firstly, we need to have some knowledge on what how to build and what are the main thing that we require to build all the things. So for this, there are some type of things. So firstly, okay. So firstly, one is front end, another is back end, and another is database. Okay. So what is front end, what is back end, and what is database? So firstly, what is front end? Like in this course, we will learn about front end, and after completing this front end part, we'll if anyone are you interested, then we will start the back end and database course. But firstly, we will start with front end. What is front end? Suppose I am giving one example. You went to one went to a restaurant and order one something your favorite dish, one butter chicken. Okay, you order one butter chicken. Okay, so here you are the customer. You is the customer. So you order the butter chicken here. Okay, so one um, when you order the butter chicken, one person will come to you and he will take the order from you, and then he will go to the kitchen, and then he will someone is ordering butter chicken, please prepare this one. He will tell that, and after that the dish will come to you, and the middle person who took your order, he will put the dish on your table. So just analyze all the things here. We will understand what is front end part. Okay, so the front end part is here, like on your table the dish is there, that is the front end part. You order one butter chicken, the butter chicken is placed on your table, so that is the front end part. So how it come? It come with the help of backend and database. How? Like the people or the person who come to you and he took the order, that is called the backend part. Like he the backend person come to you and he took the order from you, like what you need or what is your requirement, that is the main thing. Okay, so okay, so I need to okay, yeah. So here is the first thing, that is you are the customer. Okay, so the customer needs, just a minute, yeah. So you are the customer, you have some requirement. Okay, so you have some requirement. So what you do after reaching in the restaurant, you just call to one person ki brother please come here, I have some requirement, like I need one dish, that is butter chicken, please come here and take the order. So one person came to you and he took the order from you, like yes sir, we have the dish, just wait for 5 minutes, I will take the order to you. So he then went to the kitchen. So it is the kitchen. So like in the kitchen there are so many like chefs are there who are making the dish for you. So whenever the person came to you and take the order, and here in the kitchen the main cook is there, suppose there is no chicken available there, so he will tell you ki sorry sir, there is no chicken available, do you have any other dish, you want anything more, if do you have anything more, then just tell me, we will create that one. So like suppose you told no, I need butter chicken, so no more this I need. So then he will tell you, "Ki, sorry sir, we don't have anything to like serve you." So in this case, no response is coming from the backend. Suppose here, okay. So in this case, like suppose I am taking the example of Facebook. You are just logging in one application that is called Facebook. So you came here and just your login id your login id is there, and after that you put your password here. So after doing login, suppose there are some mistake are in your login credential. Suppose your name is suppose abc@gmail.com, suppose you put abd@gmail.com. So in this case what will happen, like it will go to the response, like the login id and password will go where, like PSSW. Okay, the login ID and password will go to the backend. So backend is the thing, like everything or every type of performance is happening there. So like anything that you are sending to the backend, if the same thing is available there, then the uh, good response will come to you. Otherwise, it will give you a bad response. That is called no, sir, this is not available here. So please either you cancel your thing or please leave the place. So how does the kitchen or how does the backend will select the thing that you are sending? Suppose my ID is abc at the rate gmail.com, but I send what is abd at the rate gmail.com. So how the backend will analyze like the abd at the rate gmail.com is not present here. So in this case, a second thing comes here, that is called the database. Okay. So database is the thing, like anything you are doing here, that is data base. Okay, so anything you are searching here or sending any request, that is actually with the help of backend, it is going to where the database. So inside the database, it is first searching the thing like the abc at the rate gmail.com is sending one data, that abd at the rate gmail.com is available here or not. Then database will search the thing like abd is there, abd is there, no, it is not there. Then it will send the request, no, abd is not there, so please cancel the order. Then the backend will send the response to the front end. Sir, ABD is not there, so please change your request to either ABC or something more. So this is called the entire application process. Like every application in the world, every application you will open, every I mean, like A to Z, any application, the total entire working process is the same thing. Okay. So I'll come to the part. What is front end? So the entire thing you understood, like what is front end, back end, and database. So here comes to the front end part. So like the front end thing is that okay, one more thing. Oh yeah, don't save, no problem. Okay, so suppose you are in the Facebook app. Okay, so here in the Facebook app, there is one firstly one login symbol will be there. One, suppose one video is there, and inside that below that video one like button is there, and one suppose share button is there, and after that one comment section will be there. Something, I'm just giving a rough example, just imagine the thing. So the customer or the client, whoever, who is you just open any application in the world, like it's might be Facebook, it might be Flipkart, Amazon, like your Netflix, anything. You just after entering your login ID and password, you just open something. The first thing that you are currently seeing, that is called the front end thing, like anything that you can access. Suppose in the Facebook page, I can click on the share button, I can click on the like button, I can do some comments here or anything. Suppose one image is there, I want to share the image to my some friends in my Facebook group. So I will click on the share button, then the option will be there. So I will send. So anything I can do from my side in the application, that is called the front end. Like whatever I will see in the application, that is called the front end part. Okay. So anything. Suppose I'm giving one example here. Suppose I'm opening the Flipkart app. Okay, so here is the thing, like anything, whatever I am currently seeing here, that is called the front end part. Okay, anything, like all the things here, that is comes under the front end part. So I can here do the login, I can go to my profile, anything. So that is comes under the front end part. Okay, so to make the front end app, there are some crucial steps. So first of all, it comes to HTML, then CSS, then it comes the JavaScript. So what is HTML? Just yeah. So HTML is the thing, like suppose you are making a house, and the first thing uh, before you create one building one house, the first thing is the important thing is the brick. Like by setting so many bricks, you will first create one foundation or one structure of your home. After that, you will do some colors or some designing in your house. So the HTML is the first thing, like it is the building blocks. Okay, BUILD, building block of the application. Like what is